don't know what just happened. When I do it, it kept killing me. Watch the cutscene for 5 minutes. I just got killed many times because of this. Nice. He kept killing me twice in a row. I don't even have a camera and no record, so I have. And you guys see, I don't know what the hell is going on because all this stupid dumb game is actually making this happen in like 30 seconds. Now, once I did that, I can see the neighbor and he got jump scared me at the same time. And you guys see, and the light bulbs are cold. It's kept Valkyrie. As you can see, he saw me, and that's it. I'd rather be playing. Once I get caught every time in the light, this dude just killed me in the episode. Always like flying to the game. And this guy was crying me. Now, once I do that every time, and you guys see, I kept dying twice, and now once in a row, he gets to spawn everywhere. Now, once you guys kept sleeping, he goes outside, and once you guys die, once you guys kept dying, you guys go. That means he goes outside, and once you kept dying, he goes inside and watching TV. And that's it. So that's like how, and you guys see like the transfer song. Oh, you guys see that? That would scare me. That will scare me like a spider. Now, once you guys see, I'm gonna be getting caught by the camera again. We guys see, and you guys see, I got. And you guys see, he locked up the room. Get hit by a trap, and you guys see, wait for him outside. Nope, I died. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys really got involved,